Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CEI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day and another just kind of slow drift downwards, although not that the chart looks bad, just volume is dropping off quite a bit. You look down here and you can see that, compared to the previous days of volume, it's just very, very small. And I'm not saying that is the end of the world, but you also have to keep in mind that, usually the types of traders that trade these stocks don't have the longest attention spans. And I'm not saying that in a negative way. I'm just saying that people that are trading these sorts of stocks, they're looking for volatility. They're looking for action. And if things kind of just dry up and there's not a whole lot going on, then their attention is going to get pulled elsewhere and they're going to want to go trade that action. But in order to trade that action, they need their money. And how do they get their money? Well, they're going to need to sell their shares, which could present a problem. And it's looking like it's probably what happened over the past couple of days, just people slowly taking their profits and going to find other stocks that are moving. Now, again, I don't mean that just because that is happening that for sure guaranteed this thing is going to crash down to 50 cents. I'm just saying it's something that you need to be aware of, and that, something needs to happen to bring back in the volume, or else it's looking like this is just going to remain in this kind of slow and steady decline in the bearish direction. As far as areas of resistance, I'm going to just go ahead and get rid of that line up there. Really, the main level to watch moving forward is at $1.25. I deleted the other line just because it's not really relevant right now. But if there is any sort of bigger bounces to the upside, 125 remains that key level of support. As far as key level of resistance, As far as key levels of support are now concerned moving forward, next key level to watch very closely is going to be that, just big round number of $1. That's always a psychological area of support. So keep a close eye on that. And if the price then breaks below $1, then that's just going to be, more reason that other people are probably going to lose interest in it. So I'm not going to call $1 a do or die level, but I will say it's very important. So we'll see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.